Let's see if I can check in. I'm not too sure on the times I can check in, but let's find out. That's me all checked in. Now just to get to the room. Ooh, very nice. Very nice indeed. Got a lovely sea room view. It is amazing on a day like this. Fantastic view. And I'm only about 5-minute walk to the right hand side there, down here, to get to the Pleasure Beach. So now that I'm settled, we can do a room tour. I paid for 1 night, and this is a double room with a sea view, which you've seen briefly and we'll see again shortly. But what we'll do is do a little room tour just now, starting at the front door. A little bit of safety that we all need to read, just for fire evacuation plans. Chrome sockets at the bathroom. Me. It's a big shower, to be fair. Nice and big. Shower head. Little body washes, conditioners, shampoos. Very nice. One big sink. Some body lotion and hand soap. Nice big mirror with these lights built in. Toilet. 2 toilet rolls, holders. Very fancy. Little tissue holder. And some towels, towel holder, nice towels. Going to be a bit weird with towels, but it's nice. We've got this sliding door. The lock on it there. Back into the little hallway, this big mirror. You slide that same door over again and you get your wardrobe, where I have put some of my clothes in just now. This little thing to put your bag on to unpack your bag, I think. You've got your hairdryer, ironing board, iron, shelf. And now the bedroom side. Double bed, control temperatures. We've got single socket to this side with 2 USB points, which is great. A little light here as well. Can control the main light. Got a single socket below. Same again with the light. Single socket here. The USB points. Phone. Bedside unit. Some drawers. On a safe as well, which is good. Table, fancy chair for leg rest, another chair, desk, my mask, do some your business stuff on, another mirror, TV, teas, coffees, milks, sugars, herbal teas. kettle, and of course with this room you get this view. Couldn't have picked a better day, to be honest, to see this view. Also should have mentioned that there's a nice gap underneath the bed, which is to me unusual. So you can slide your bags underneath. So I'll put mine in there, which you can see. Just slide mine out. You can see how that just fits in. But yeah, I thought that was worth mentioning, just because it's a nice space to use. That's something I haven't seen before, this little door stop. Obviously I've seen the ones that kind of pull over and latch in, but that's cool here. So just change that over, open the door, and it hits that. Yeah, something different. So this is a room tour for the Hampton by Hilton at Blackpool Pleasure Beach, or the promenade at the shorefront. Hopefully that helps give you a little picture of the facilities that's on offer. Got to say, it's a high standard, very clean, considering that we're going through this COVID now, with the fact that we can stay inside hotels and we can travel to a certain degree. So yeah, very tidy, very clean, very organised. I paid, it was £84, that included breakfast for this room. In my opinion, it's worth it, just in regards to location, where I'm going to be going tonight and for tomorrow, and to get to the train station to get back home, and also with the breakfast, the views, the quality of the room. So in my opinion, 100% worth it so far, no issues from me, so hopefully that helps.